nice little thing you did here just falls. I'm struggling. Okay. Okay, they are so secure. These TikTok people, they know what they're doing. Hello, another Sunday, another video. We are doing a little part 2 of trying TikTok fashion hacks. Now I already did this video honestly like a while back. I think a few months ago was when I did the first part, but I saw that a lot of people enjoyed watching it, so I thought I should do it again. And that is exactly why we are here gathered this Sunday, because this Sunday's video is me trying more TikTok fashion hacks. So yesterday I was scrolling on TikTok as one does, and I came across a fashion hack and I was like, oh, I need to go ahead and watch some of these, and I saved some. Also, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Natasha, if you didn't already know that. So let's go ahead and try them. Switching location a little bit, I have a few items prepared for the hacks, and the first hack that we are going to be trying is a little blazer hack. You need to like watch it first to understand it, and then let's just try it. We're going to be cropping a blazer without, you know, cutting it or anything. We just need a blazer and a belt. Let's grab our materials. Blazer and a belt. I decided to take a belt that's on the thinner side because I feel like you'll be able to see it less, like it will be less, you know. Let's try it. Blazer on. Close it. I'm just gonna close the 2 last buttons. She took it. How did she take it off? Okay, wait, you know what? Let me just close the last button for now. Okay, I'll close the second button now. And then we have to flip it inside out. Belt is on. The pockets are like the pockets are sticking out here. Wait, let me close it like fully maybe. I mean, I don't know what it looks like in the back, but honestly, okay, from the side, you can see that there's definitely something going on in here. Like, you can see the belt a little bit. I mean, we did crop the blazer, sure. And this wasn't even like a super oversized blazer. So I think if you get an even bigger size, there's just gonna be more stuffing, you know? So, could work if you don't mind this, you know? I say we try the next hack. Added some more lighting here. Next hack is a classic shirt hack. I feel like we've all seen a lot of those. And this one, I feel like if it works, I'm actually gonna wear it. For this one, I'm gonna use our fun shirt because we're gonna be cropping it and turning it into, I would say, a going out shirt, you know? You need a shirt and a bra. First thing she does is tuck in this whole part and just tuck it in. You need to open this up and one side tuck it into the middle of the bra, but like kind of diagonally, and then the same for the other side, and then just tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, I've done the tucking part, a little knot, and then she was done. She just like tucked it all away and she was done. So let's see if we can tuck this away without making bumps everywhere, if you know what I mean. Oh my god, look at that, look at that. I mean, it looks pretty legit. Okay, once again, I don't know about the back. I never know too much about the back, but I think it's looking okay. I think you could actually wear this out and it's like, it doesn't look too questionable. The only thing I will say though is I can't move too much because it's like pulling on my neck. And then if I move too much here, I feel like something's about to fall out. But visually, if you just want to take a picture, you can do that, but maybe not too much movement. Because once I do this, I already feel it pulling here. Okay, okay, approved, approved. On to the next one. This next one. What we need, a long sleeve. I've been seeing so many videos on TikTok being like, how to wear your long sleeve this spring, this summer. Because we're using our winter stuff to wear them in summer. I don't get that. But this one seemed pretty simple. Firstly, we need to turn this around. Then we're tying it in our necks. You definitely need a stretchy long sleeve for this. It is tied and it is tight. Then the arms. What am I supposed to do with this part? She just tucked it in. Mine's not gonna hold if I just tuck it in. Like, it's just gonna, if I jump, it's just gonna fall back out. The back looks nice. I don't know what the neck is looking like. The neck is Honestly, you can't see too much, but it's very tight, like that's for sure. Like I will be choking at the end of the night, you know? But I love this. I love this. You can even do a little nice bow here if you wanted to. This is the vibes. I like it. You know what? Even if I can't tuck it in, maybe it's nice that it's like a little asymmetrical. Or maybe that's just my brain that's trying to make this look nice. I don't know. What do you think? Comment down below. Is this wearable? Like, could I go out in this? Outside? Do you think people would just be like, oh, that's just a top? Or do you think people would be like, did she just use a long sleeve top to make another top? You know, let's try another hack. Okay, we are starting to get on an even more superior level because the hack isn't difficult to do, but we need some materials. And I'm gonna DIY the DIYer. This girl used some sort of, I don't even know what it's called, sparkly bracelet thing, as you can see in the video. I don't have that, so I'm gonna be even more DIY than her and use a chain that I have from a necklace. I also don't really have a top like her, but what I do have is this dress, which is a little see-through. I'm thinking maybe it can do the same effects, and because it's a dress, it can like ruffle down here, you know? Literally the most simple thing ever. Put on the dress or top or whatever it is you have. Okay, what she did is she also put her head through, but I can't do that with this dress because the straps are too small. And are they adjustable? They're not adjustable, so we're just gonna have to do, we're doing it a little more simple than she did. But we have the dress on, right? And then we're gonna take the chain and just, I don't really know what she did. She just pulled it through. Okay, yes, you can see that it's a necklace. Let's pretend like we're not seeing that it's a necklace though. You know what? It kind of looks like a top. It kind of looks like a top. I just need to pull it down a little bit. That is cute. The back, there's a lot going on, but the front, okay. She popped up. She knew what she was doing. Only thing is, since this is like see-through, I don't really know what I would wear underneath. You know, let's make it a little more cropped. Okay, but I do love this idea. Wait, I'm actually gonna wanna wear this, but I'm gonna buy something else to, you know, put here. Because clearly, you see this dang thing, like what? I recommend. Yeah. Also this necklace thing, like I didn't even tie it or anything, but it felt so secure. Get on to the next one. I don't know if it's a hack really, because we're not changing the way we wear it. It's just, a lot of us have been through the struggle of, you have a pair of cute heels, they're strappy heels. There's just these strings, right? And you know, you start tying them, you're like, okay, cute, they look nice. And then you start walking, and the whole nice little thing you did here just falls. But I saw a little TikTok saying how you should tie them so that they're like secure. Let's get the camera down here so we can see what's going on. Okay, I love these shoes, by the way. I got them on Vinted. Aren't they so cute? Little cowboy vibes. Okay, definitely need to do a double knot then because it just fell off. Oh my gosh! Anyways, just thinking of wearing these with trousers. They are so secure. These are not falling off. And you have a little design going on here in the front. Okay, yes, another hack approved. These TikTok people, they know what they're doing. Well, maybe not all of them. I feel like I could run in these now. They're so secure. Amazing. If you watched my last fashion hacks video where I tried this as well, which if you haven't already, you should definitely go see that. I did a little fashion hack with this jumper right here, and I just found a video with I think 3 different hacks you can do with a little jumper like this. Let's try them immediately. The first one I think was like the easiest one. You just put it on, and then the last button here, you're gonna wrap it around you and tie it in the back. Oh my gosh, I'm struggling. I mean, it's definitely secured in the back. Does the front look cute? Not really. Girl, I cannot breathe in this. You know, oh! Maybe I talk too fast. Maybe I talk too fast. Maybe I talk too fast. I mean, it is tight. It is tight, and it's definitely keeping me warm. Is it wearable? Can I move in this? Not really. But it's kind of cute. Or am I just being delusional? Maybe the other tricks will be better. Okay, next one with the cardigan. Okay. I think this one definitely can be cute. Close up all of these buttons. We're putting back to front, front to back, whatever. Arms are going in. And then what she did was that she also tucked this front part in. This is what it looks like from the front. Kind of just looks like a regular jumper. And then party in the back. Maybe it just looks like I'm wearing it. No, I like this one. I was about to say maybe it just looks like I'm wearing a cardigan the wrong way around, but no, I'm gonna change my mind. I like this. I like, oh, you can see the ticket though. You might want to cut that off if you do this trick. I'm pretty impressed. Okay, let's see what the third little hack is that she had for us. Whoa, I don't know what she did there, but it looked complicated. Oh, we have 4 buttons. She had 3. Okay, once again, complicated. She took the last button and put it in this hole, and then this button and put it in this hole. No, maybe the other way around. Oh, the other way around. Okay, this button in this last hole. Okay, then this last button in this second my explanation. Okay, and then I think she just see, I just think we have different types of jumpers for this one, or I just really did not get that because what, like, what? Yeah, no, nah babes, no, not for me. Okay, I didn't really have the time to film an outro yesterday, and I didn't want to just like leave you guys hanging, right? So I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want maybe a part 3 of this video, because there are so many hacks to try out and some of them be looking crazy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.